Good morning, children. So, we continue with our science chapter number 2, our body. And today, open to page number 11, we are going to study about the different organs, special organs of our body. First of all, look at this picture which is drawn over here. It is a human body with the few of the internal organs which are important. Those are drawn very vividly and their marking is done. At the top, inside the head, is our brain, which is a very vital part of our body. Then there are the two lungs below on the chest, and in between the two lungs is the heart. From the nose comes the windpipe, though it is not marked in your picture, still I'm telling. And from the mouth comes the food pipe. The windpipe and the food pipe are different, but at one place they come together. They become together and they go down. Below the lungs and the heart, the stomach lies, which helps for digestion. With the stomach, by the side of it is the liver, which secretes the juices for digesting the food. Then comes the intestine and the small intestine inside, and then the big intestine, and the intestine ends with the rectum. So, these few organs we are going to study in details. First one is the brain. The brain is found inside the head. It sends messages to every part of our body and tells it to what to do. It also helps to think, remember things, understand what is happening around you, and so on. So, the most important part of our body is our brain, which is inside the head at the top of our body, and it functions very accurately. It sends messages throughout our body and tells us what to do and what not to do. Without the brain, even our internal organs like the stomach, the liver, the lungs, nothing would be able to function. And it also helps us to understand what is around us, remember things. Next most important thing is the heart. The heart is found in the middle of the chest. It is slightly tilted to the left. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through the tube-like blood vessels. The blood carries food and oxygen to the body parts and carries the waste away from them. So, after the brain, the next most important part of our body is the heart, which lies inside our chest and is slightly in between the two lungs. It is found there, and it is tilted towards the left side. What is the main function of the heart? Main function of the heart is to pump the blood throughout the body. The good blood carrying the oxygen as well as the bad blood carrying the carbon dioxide. So how does it pump the blood? Through the tube-like structures which are called the blood vessels.